Yes, so my name is Kai. So my main role is working with suppliers. We have a lot of parts that are difficult to make, which isn't the usual strategy or tool, but for us we do that because it makes the product better, but still good value for money. So we're using a few different products. FactoryMaster is the main product that we're using, and we've been using it for 13 years now. Incredibly powerful bit of software for us, being completely invaluable. We're 4 times the turnover we were when we started using it, and we were struggling trying to manually do Excel stock control at 1/4 of our size. It just helps us keep control of stocks. MRP is invaluable, predicting what stock we need, but also because we're not just buying parts and selling them, we're assembling them, but we also handle all of our own subcontracts. So there's parts coming in, going through QC, going out again for a second operation. And in fact, the biggest, I think we have something that goes in and out 5 times. So trying to do that on a more old-fashioned manual system that doesn't understand sequential lead times is very difficult. So we're also using Workspace, which is just great for information really. Everybody can see the same information. We have it on big 50-inch screens around the factory. People can see who's visiting, who's here that day, who's going to be off on holiday next week. So yeah, everybody can see what's going on. So with FactoryMaster, it's certainly MRP that's the best part of it. It's a big number cruncher. It's what computers are really good at. Looking at the minimum stock on each part, the supplier lead time, the sequential lead times for all the different processes. Some is external, some is internal. And so it knows how far in advance to order something. And that combined with we're using the sales forecast as a package, it's a very powerful thing. Yes, I recommend Access products to everybody I meet. It's having control of your business, and control, ultimately it's about financial control, although we don't use the financial part. And we've got a legacy system our accountants don't want to change, so that's nothing to do with Access. But to have control of your stock when you're in manufacturing is critical, and FactoryMaster allows that.